We got to remodel this bathroom, but that's another story. Okay, so we got this, goes to the ceiling. The problem is right here. It goes into a very small corner right there. I mean, really small. It's so small that I don't think the other thing we bought is gonna fit. There's a little bit of dirt behind it I see right now because I couldn't get in there. So the idea is I gotta fit something in that little tiny lip sticking out. And there's no way that other one has a bigger base. There's no way that's gonna fit. So they're all kind of a little bigger than this one is. So I gotta figure something out to make a base type of thing so I could put that on. It's got this. This is a pre-made thing, and this is extremely small right here, the little corner. The thing that we bought is much larger than that. The one I had was tiny. This is the OXO Good Grips Quick Extend Aluminum Pole Caddy. Here it is in the box. I'll show you how I install this and how I put it together. I just made a pie-shaped thing out of cedar. I made a base out of cedar. I angled the bottom. So all I'm going to do now, theoretically this can work without the base. I could just do like this. And this will, with the tension over here, it's not moving. However, couldn't hurt to put a base on. Put it way back here, right in the corner. I'm just going to trace approximately where it is. That's the front right there. Ta-da. So it's sitting there. It could just sit on this and that. And it's only going to sit like around here, so without the foot it would work. Okay, it looks pretty straightforward. I'm going to take out the 1, 2, 3, the plastic one. And here's this part right here. Okay, first of all, there's a button on the back of this right here to collapse it. You push it in and make it smaller. What the instructions said, if I'm not mistaken, you can't do this with the shelves on, they have to be off. So all you do is you pull, while holding the base of the pole, pull up on the middle section. It'll extend from the top and bottom. So all you do is this, okay? I'm gonna hold the middle, I'm gonna pull up on it like this. And you can see the bottom is going down and the top is going up at the same time. So that's it. And then to make it smaller, push the button. And that's it. And after you get it to the right height, let's say you have it to the right height. It's got to be the proper height first. After you have it to the right height, you put, here's the hook right here. You put it in and it looks like you snap it down. So let me see. That's up, down. Okay, that's it. Up and out. It's as easy as that. Put it, snap it down. That doesn't look like it locks in. No, it doesn't. just sitting there, okay? So now I'm gonna put it in the bath. I'm gonna put it as close to the corner as I can. I'll make sure this is all the way in the corner. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it away a little bit, expand it a couple more clicks, and then push it in. Too big, so I'm gonna make it a little smaller. Button. All right, a little too small. All right, so pushed it in there. Let's see how it's sitting now. There's that. All the way in the corner. Now, if you gotta move it, I would suggest maybe like a rubber mallet a little bit, but that's not going anyplace. Okay, now you can move these. Watch. You have to move them before you put on the shelves though. That one, the lowest it can go is right there, so you can't put this all the way near the bottom. 2, 3, okay, so we'll do this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this cannot go, the bottom one cannot go all the way to the bottom. So this is gonna actually work as another shelf. So let's stick the shelves on. It snaps in. Okay, up we go. Locked in, that's it. Let's raise this up a little bit. 2.